Akash was already in jail, but the real danger was still far from over. The true battle was only beginning. When Suraj returned home, he was welcomed with a wave of relief and emotion. His family finally felt a glimmer of hope again. Banti soon joined them, having stood firmly beside Suraj throughout the entire mission. Together, they prepared a new and careful plan. As part of their strategy, Isha convinced Akash that she was ready to go ahead with the marriage. However, she insisted on meeting her mother, Kaveri ji, before taking any final step. Akash agreed, but when he arrived, he brought a woman whose face was completely hidden. Slowly, suspicion began to rise in Akash's mind. He felt something was not right and realized he might be walking into a trap. His doubt quickly turned into anger, and he moved aggressively toward Isha. The atmosphere turned heavy with tension and fear. At that very moment, Suraj arrived. Everything shifted instantly. Suraj fearlessly confronted Akash's men, pushing them back with strength and determination. For a brief moment, it seemed like control had returned. But Akash had already prepared a darker move. The woman presented as Kaveri ji was not the real one. It was a carefully planned deception. The real Kaveri ji was still being held captive in a secret place. Akash tightened his grip on the situation and threatened Isha, warning her that if she refused the marriage, her mother would never return alive. Broken by fear for her mother, Isha had no choice left. With tears in her eyes, she apologized to Suraj and agreed to go with Akash. Despite Suraj's desperate attempts to stop her, Akash succeeded in taking her away. Now Suraj was left with two urgent missions, rescuing Kaveri ji and stopping the wedding before it was too late. After a long and difficult search, Suraj, Banti, and Arav finally discovered Kaveri ji locked in a dark and hidden place. The moment Arav saw his mother safe, his emotions broke free, overwhelmed with relief and joy. But there was no time to rest. The moment Kaveri ji was rescued, Suraj immediately set out once again to stop the wedding. Meanwhile, preparations were moving ahead at full speed, and every passing moment increased the pressure on him. Now the question remains, will Suraj reach in time? Will he stop Akash's final deadly move?